Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to part 5 of our Pastel Tides. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me and all my endeavors. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. Today, we're going to focus on getting these waves dialed in a little bit. And for that, we're going to use some cadmium yellow, some burnt sienna, some titanium white, and we're also going to mix up some purple hue with a little bit of raw umber to give us our dark lines in there. That's what I'm going to be using for all the ripples in the water and the waves and everything like that. And then from there, we're going to use the lighter tones to give the highlighted colors on top of those waves. I wasn't fully happy with where I ended up in the waves, but after playing around with them for so long, I could only get them so dialed in where I was happy with them. They ended up looking pretty good at the end, but there's a lot of back and forth, and I wasn't fully satisfied, but I think they look pretty good in the end result. So now I start using the highlighted tones to really bring out the top edges of a lot of these waves. You'll really notice there's a lot of crisp lines in there. I tried to make it look as choppy and wavy as I could, but also keep the smoothness of those rolling waves. I think I captured it as best I could. There's probably more I could have done with it, but they ended up looking pretty darn good. So here I wanted to get a little bit of a darker tone in there, so I mixed just a little bit of ivory black into that purple tone just to really bring out the depth of those bottom parts of those waves. All right, that's going to about do it for today. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This is coming out amazing, fantastic, and beautiful. If this is your first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button and share, and take a visit to my website, and I will see you in the next episode.